how to manifest or how to fulfill your wishes. This series, 3-part series on sigils. What are sigils? How you can make them, create them, and have fun with it. In fact, how you can activate and how does it work. I'm going to share all about how you can make your wish come true, or should I say wishes. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. This is a 3-part series on sigils and I'm going to share what exactly are sigils. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Invincible Family. But if you're already part of the family, I would say give me a like and leave me a comment which sigil you're about to create today, which is the wish. You were eagerly waiting for today's episode to have fun. I would say be realistic as you create these sigils. Start with a wish like your money is stuck, or you're in a legal battle, or your promotion is due, or your check is not being cashed, it's stuck in the process, or small wishes on a daily basis that will make a difference in your life. But be realistic where you are, and so step by step you see the progress in your life. But what exactly is sigil? Sigil is a symbolic, I would say intentional symbol. When you put your intention to something, you activate it. Manifestation is when you put your intent and let it go in the universe. It's a full circle. Universe works on it, gets everything you need to make that intention come true. That's exactly what sigils do, but in their own way. It's another process, very simple and fun, but very powerful. So let's begin. I'll be sharing with you how you create, how it works, and how you can activate, and in the end, how you can let it go. What is sigil? Sigil is the symbol, the intentional symbol that you create for making your wishes come true, to manifest faster. It is one of the easiest way but very powerful way which you can have fun creating. For example, of this part 1 of this 3-part series, like I put the wish, I am happy, healthy. Rule first is you have to put your intention with full faith in the present tense. So whatever your wish is, be realistic, start with smaller ones, see the results. You can follow along, take out a plain white paper and start. So I am happy, healthy. First sentence in the present tense. Second rule is you have to eliminate all the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So I is the vowel, so you have to remove. Then A is the vowel, you have to remove. E is the vowel, you have to remove. A again. Next, any letter that is repeated you have to eliminate. So in this case, M, here is H. Now P is here for twice. So you have to only write that letter once. Repeated numbers you can eliminate or delete. Then is the Y. So what you got to do is you write here Y. Next you have H here already, so you cross out the H. L is here one time, so you write L. You already have the T here. H was repeated, so you eliminate, and you already wrote Y. So in this sentence, I am happy, healthy. What you did suddenly, you removed all the vowels, then you removed the repeated alphabets. In the final, you got these letters. This is how you create. Have fun writing these alphabets inside this circle, because the boundaries of this circle become the energies that are radiating in the universe, and it manifests faster. So M, get creative. You can start with pencil if you want, and then the next letter is H. You can do, this is H, and then you have P. You can assume this is P, and then you have T. So you can assume that this part is T, and then you have Y. You can make this as Y, and then you have L. You can assume this is L from here to here. So now suddenly you have this pattern. This pattern is your sigil for this wish. Now you created your sigil. that is for your intention in present tense. After creating, you have to cut this circle. That's how you activate. How do you activate it? Cut this circle and hold in your hand. So hold the circle in your hand and feel it. You have to add your energies. The easiest way is when you are sweaty, when you have done the workout, you went for a walk or run a jog. Touch this sigil with your hands and let it feel your sweat. Another way is, remember when you hear the good news, suddenly you have the goosebumps. You're so full of energy, you feel the goosebumps. That is the time your hormonal changes or are so much so activated, your wishes come true. Feel it. Think about the time suddenly when the good news came and how did you feel. The moment you feel that, where you have the goosebumps, the positivity, feel it. That activates it. Other thing is, you can breathe and then breathe through your nostrils, inhale and then exhale through your mouth till you feel you're calm and you feel like a lot of energy on your third eye chakra. Feel it. You will feel energies in your hand as you hold this. Know that it's being activated. Trust. Once you do that, now it's activated. Now you have to let your wish go. And for that, what you do is, you can either burn this and then dispose of the ashes. You can also let it flow in the running water. You can also do this, bury it in the plant, in the pot or in your backyard, just assuming that this is one of the way your wish come true. Another way you can do is, you can draw this pattern on a candle and let the candle burn. Once the candle burns, it's like burning this sigil. The idea is, once you create it with intention, you activate it with your intention and your sweat and your energies, and then you have to let it go in the universe. Universe will assemble all the supplies needed to make your wish come true. That's how you manifest. Let me know which sigil you have created and if you followed along. Isn't this fun? I hope you enjoyed this process on how you can create sigil, how you can make it active. Have fun with it, but do let me know what wish of yours came true, and also once you share what changes you felt. Next week I'll be sharing another process of creating the sigil, but today give me a like and share with your friends and family so they can also make their wishes come true. Until next week, take care.